Where are you getting all your money from?
I don't have a house. I don't have a car.
Oh, lies, lies, lies. And everywhere is lies.
Sanibona. Yazi ngisanda kuvuka ebuthongweni nje. And I'm actually thinking about lobugebengu obukhona la eMzansi. Angoba la eMzansi bafana ubugebengu bume ngenyawo. I-injustice ime ngenyawo. Ngifuna nje ukukhuluma ngalo muntu lo makhelwane lo. Now. Omunye angazibuza ukuthi umuzi wabani lo. Lo idladla lika Sello, idladla lika Sello. Nala. Uma umazi uSello umalema nala. Nala idladla lakhe. Uyayibo. Nala. Umakhelwane lo uyayizwa. So bengicabanga nje indaba yakhe uSello Malema ukuthi yena he was found guilty, unecala elibhekane naye, and he was found guilty by the court. Julius Malema was found guilty by the court. He went through trial, he went through court, he went through all these steps. Kodwa because there is injustice in South Africa, Umalema was supposed to be jailed, but he was not jailed. Manje umbuzo umile ukuthi kungani yena angaboshwanga uMalema. Sakubona ngoJacob Zuma, uJacob Zuma bamthwesa amacala akhe, yena bambopha. Futhi okubhlungu ngoZuma ukuthi waboshwa engadlulanga through i-trial. Waboshwa, he had to face his sentence. But uMalema akaboshiwe. Kungani? Ngizoyindlala nje ukuze uyi-understand. uMalema ulwa nongezwe. uMalema utshele inkantolo ukuthi he's got the loudest voice to reprimand labantu abakhoza i-chaos la eSouth Africa. Uphakela Mthakathi noNgezwe. So uMalema, he's not in prison simply because he still has to fight noNgezwe. Angazi ukuthi niyangizwa na. Yena uMalema, his only duty right now is to ensure ukuthi uNgezwe it's either uyayistopa lento akayenzayo noma uyaboshwa. Umsebenzi kaMalema loyo. That is how injustice the system is. Hlala nabo mfethu nabo umuzi wakhe. Khohlwa ngalo ole elokunjeni eHyde Park, ngikhuluma ngale ngekhaya lakhe umuzi wakhe eqobo wawo. Now umuzi kaMalema now mowuwazi kahle lo seParkmore now yiwo lo umakhelwane. Akuhlali umuntu lana, kuhlala nje ama-bodyguard akhe nayo unokufika nje edlule. Kodwa lento le yalamahunta yalamaguns alaye eMzansi, South Africa does not belong to South Africans, and there will never be justice for South Africans. South Africa is run by amahunta, run by gangsters. South Africa is owned by gangsters. Wena mawusathi usazolungisa izwe, baba, let me tell you brother, I'm against illegal immigrants. Anyone that is here illegally ngokungemthetho, I'm against that person. But iqiniso limile lithi municipal officials, a lot of municipal officials are working hand in hand nalama Nigerians nama drug dealer. Sabona nkathi kukhona lento lena ekuthiwa sizokuthola. Sayibona umfoka Khumalo ebabamba bekhiphana bodwa, and then his conclusion was ama-councillors are involved, ama-mayors are involved, ama-officials lawa phezulu are involved, and ama-big dogs ase-parliament. So uma ngabe utshela ukuthi yebo kona umtsizwa buyasiza, kodwa iSouth Africa abaholi bakhona bazama ukuncela umtsizwa noma izinsizwa lezi ekhona bancela amandla ezinsizwa lezi ekhona, bese bebasigcoba ngani ngamacala ukuze bebe abantu ababi before society. And then what happens? beqhubeke bona igebengu zidla imali zimosha izwe ngoba vele kunje. Kodwa nje the only reason why ungizwe, why uJulius Malema engaboshwanga is simply because kusamele ukuthi ameke sure ukuthi ungizwe uyaboshwa. And his voice is gonna be heard because it's gonna convince millions ukuthi ungizwe uyabheda, ukuthi uphakela mthakathi uyabheda, and convince the court ukuthi ungizwe kufanele ukuthi aboshwe. Ngoba umvulele icala kumanje ugijima inkantolo ungizwe. uMalema waye nengabhadlaka ejele ngoba he's supposed to be in jail. Angithi I also thought ukuthi uMalema was a great leader, but until ngithola ukuthi uMalema ufumbathiswa uRupert. uMalema ufumbathiswa uRupert, ufumbathisa imali ama-billions yokuthi nje yena ecause i-havoc elungise la kumele elungise khona, ecause i-havoc la kumele ecause i-havoc khona for political sake. Yisende le ndlela amadoda.